Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold has turned this narrow pattern towards an upside. I have clearly explained you that if the price keep moving above 30, probability was very high, we can see a further upside. See, this is the trend, we have seen a sharp rise. Okay, but now what you have to understand, see, it has already made a new high. Okay, so probability can be high, it can make further upside. Okay, because whenever we have seen a good upside, if you look at this particular trend, that it goes and make a new high, but after what happened afterwards, it makes a fall. Okay, this you can see in every video, whenever it is making new high, we have seen that it makes a high, and then it falls. Okay, this is what we have seen. So see, suppose this candle today, we can see there can be a green candle, or this can turn into a red candle because it has already made a new high. Okay, but probability is high that we can see, suppose if the price started on next day, see, this is the day wise candle, as you can see that it has made a high, and in that particular candle only it has made a sharp fall also. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglove@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, the price if sustain this level, we can see it can move again towards 34.90. Okay, and once the price moving above this level, probability is high that it can make today's high, that is 35.09, which is an all-time high we have seen. And as soon as the price started sustaining 34.90, trail your SL by $10. Okay, so you can capture a big movement towards upside. Okay, so once the price started sustaining 35.09 after crossing a level of 35.01, what we can see, suppose if started going upside above a level of 35.09, there is a probability that it can move towards 35.20, then to a level of 35.40, and if the price moving off this level, probability of touching 35.60 we can see. Okay, then to a level of 35.70, to a level of 3400. Best you can do, you can trail your SL by $10, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside if the price goes above this particular level. Okay, but now, as I've already explained you, that probability can be high, suppose if it started forming a downside. See, because whenever it is making a new high, we have seen a good fall comes, that can come tomorrow also. Okay, or that can fall in this particular day also, this also can happen. Okay, so keep trailing your SL, and see, this is the pattern I have clearly explained you, that now 34.07 is a strong support. So if it comes close to this level, you can see a bounce back from these levels. Okay, because what we can see, a level of 34.54, we can see a bounce back, a level of around 34.40. Okay, and a level of around 34.11, we can see a bounce back. These are the some of the supports which I am telling you. Okay, what we can see, suppose if started falling below this level, there is a probability that it can touch today's low of around 34.70. And suppose if the price started falling below 34.70, a further downfall can be seen towards next level, that is coming at a level of $34.52. Okay, and once the price falling after this level, we can see level 34.52, and from there the next support coming at a very close to it level 34.40, which is support 3. Okay, and if the price falling below this particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards a level of $36. And if the price falling below 34.36, a further downfall can be seen towards next level, that is coming very close to a level of 34.13. And if the price falling below that particular level, chance of going towards 34.11 we can see. And if the price falling below that particular level, a further downfall we can see below a level of 3400. So you have to understand, as soon as the price started going 3400, a probability of going towards 34.80 we can see. If the price fall below this level, a further downfall. So remember, you can also trail your SL as soon as the price started going below 3400, so you can capture a big movement towards downside also. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Thank you.